Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting now. Unlock the phone, open WhatsApp, and tap the three-dot more options. Once done, go straight to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup. You do this to reach the backup controls where automatic uploads live. Make sure you're on the account and Google Drive or iCloud you want to change. If you see a backup schedule already active, don't panic. You'll stop it in the next steps. Keep the app open and ready to change the toggles you find. Now you'll change the schedule. On Android, tap Backup to Google Drive and select Never. Make sure the Google account entry is cleared if needed. On iPhone, open Auto Backup and choose Off or Never under iCloud settings. Also turn off Include Videos if you want smaller manual backups later. Once you switch to Never, automatic uploads stop. You still can run manual backups whenever you want. These steps remove scheduled background uploads to cloud storage. Finish by checking the chat backup screen. Last backup should remain the previous timestamp after a minute, proving auto backup stopped. If backups still run, revoke WhatsApp access in Google or iCloud account settings or sign out, then sign back in and reapply Never. If that fails, restart your device and update WhatsApp to the latest version, then repeat the steps. One troubleshooting tip: clear WhatsApp cache Android, or reinstall the app only if permissions still override your settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.